Super fast market update for you all today. Bitcoin's resilience is really notable for mine. It is holding that 30,000, 29,500 level absolutely beautifully. The longer it stays in that area, the more likelihood, in my view, that we have the move up than we think, because everyone thinks this is going lower, including myself. See here on my chart, I've got the buy zone here around on the daily chart, at least the 100 and the 50 moving averages into this buy zone, and this trend line moving up, key support as well. So that all looks good to me as a very obvious drop zone. But you can see here, as long as it holds above this red, that 29,500, and just keeps bouncing higher, nothing to worry about really. Have a look at moving averages as well. When it loses the 20, it generally comes down and retests these previous levels, which I've got marked here on the chart. This was all in the newsletter, so make sure to check that out as well. If we climb above this 20 there, which is I think 30,300, get above that, reclaim the support, then I think we're going higher. So very, very fascinating as well. The indicators are cooling off at this juncture. So if it goes up, I think that wrecks a lot of people who are short this position. All right, let's just pop on over to Ethereum. Looks a lot better for mine than Bitcoin. Just holding this key support level here. It's a bit more mature than Bitcoin as well, that it's very, very close to that 20. Gets above that $1,900 level, I think it gets to 2,000 pretty quickly, like it did here, but maybe with a bit more gusto. RSI in the midline, stock RSI cooling off, all looks really good for Ethereum there. But yeah, be a bit concerned if it loses that 1816 level, 1860 level rather. Litecoin halving approaching in 9 days. Be very, very interested in what happens here, because we've never seen a Litecoin halving do this before. We haven't really had that really big pump into it. So is it going to change things? Is it going to do something really close into the event or just after the event? I'm watching the Litecoin chart personally. So not the 30-minute, I'm not. Let's go to the 4-hour and then the daily, just super, super quick. I'm watching a pattern, a descending wedge, that's just forming here after it's moved that it had into the 115 mark. So moving nicely, 90 areas, all those moving averages, holding support here. Get very, very interested in this starts breaking up there. So yes, just wanted to put that on your radars. It looks very similar to a lot of altcoins there. All right, finally, just on the Bitcoin cycle to peak with the halving, we are here. We are very, very close to starting this, chopping in here or a little bit of move higher if we're in line with the 2013-14 cycle. Halving's here. We have got the runway and ready to go. But if you're interested in looking at this chart, make sure to pause the screen, have a look here. Have a great day. We'll catch you again for our next episode. Bye.